Hey there mga my loves, Leo. Thank you so much for always being here with me in this channel, babes. So before we start your reading, reminders muna na hindi pa to for everybody. So just pick up only the messages we think are for you. At kung feel mo na reading na to for you, then this reading might be ready for you. And of course, wala rin po tayo dito ng gender. So ba lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong i-flip yung roles if you want since this is general reading. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will with you na pwede nyo rin gamitin anytime, anywhere. So yun nga mga babes, kung hindi nyo pa po knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. Ang link ay nasa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado kayong tumambay din dyan, din, kita-kita din tayo there. So yun nga, no, meron pala akong inopen kasi nga marami yung may gusto ng no contact situation update daw for the no communication or no contact situation. No? So, meron akong inopen, no? Pero this is just temporary. Kumbaga kapag naging busy na yung lola ninyo mga babes, no? Ito ay aalisin na natin at magbabalik na tayo sa ating daily routine. So, I will be extending my door, no? Para dun sa gusto ng mag-avail no, ng hidden slash secret message no, reading wherein I'm gonna get your person's current or real-time energy. Ano ba yung iniisip nila sa'yo? Thoughts about you? How they view you now? No? Ano ba yung nararamdaman nila sa'yo ngayon? At kung may plano ba sila ngayon? Ano ba yung mga gusto nilang sabihin sa'yo na hindi nila masabi right sa inyo directly. So that's what we're gonna find out. So if you're curious to know, okay, you might want to give it a try, no? And then you can inquire here. You can message me here at the High Priestess Tarot KR at gmail.com. Okay? So yeah, my babes, no? Let's see what do we have here for you, Leo. Spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for Leo, people, please? Messages for Leo. Thank you, Archangel Michael. Ano po yung dapat paghandaan or i-prepare ni Leo, mga bagay na pwede nilang i-look forward or asahan? Can you please show me? This reading is for Leo. Kami Leo, nangangamoy na parang mayroon nagkakagusto sa inyo kasi parang iba siya makatingin sa inyo, parang may lagkit. Parang may lagkit na parang kasing lagkit ng bibingkang bagong luto lang eh. So, maaring meron kayong secret admirer or baka may humahanga sa inyo. Alam nyo na, crush kayo. Okay. Let's see ano yung mga mensahe dito for ya guys. We do have here the Knight of Fire. See? Someone's got a crush on you and it looks like this person here is running papunta sa yung direction. So, nakikita ko yung confidence sa kanya at posibleng aminin niya na ito sa inyo in the upcoming days or upcoming weeks. No? Yan. So, this person could be bringing flowers or favorite food ninyo, favorite drink, merienda, ganyan. Eight of Water energy, mukhang iba sa inyo, hindi nyo siya gusto. Dahil mukhang kayo ito mga babes na maaring meron kayong ibang nagugustuhan, no? Pero yun ay iba lamang sa inyo. Ilatag na natin lahat para makuha pa tayo ng iba pang information. We also have here the ego, Three of Earth energy or the Three of Coins. We also have here the Five of Water or the Five of Cups energy and the Ace of Fire or the Ace of Wands energy. By the way, the Eight of Water is the Eight of Cups energy. Bottom of the deck, we've got right here Release, Three of Air or Three of Swords energy, and last but not the least, Five of Fire or the Five of Wands energy. You will be connecting here with someone new. You might be meeting this person here, okay, in the upcoming days or weeks, no? So, iba sa inyo, expected nyo to kasi possible na join kayo sa mga dating apps or online dating. Yung iba sa inyo, dun nyo yun nakilala at posible mag-meet up na kayo. Na iba naman, doesn't have to be na dun mo nakilala. Meron ka dito makikilala, no? Unexpectedly for others naman. Kung sino man siya, beware because I'm seeing that that person here still in love with an ex-person. No? Malaki pa rin ang kanyang attachment or matibay pa din yung kanyang hold sa kanya ritong ex-person, Leo. So, I really do not trust that person here involving sa inyo because possible rebound ang mangyari rito sa inyong connection. Because that person you will be meeting no, in the upcoming days right here, hindi siya yung aamin ng feelings and emotions sa inyo. That's a different person, ha? Okay? Nakikita ko rito that this is someone here totally brand new na paparating, no? At marami pa siya ritong bit-bit na ex-baggages, no? Hindi pa ito backpack, mga babes, no? Maleta pa po yung dala niyang ex-baggages. Yan. So, alam naman natin, ayaw natin no, ng toxic energy na i-welcome sa ating new love life. Tama. Hmm? So, nakita ko ritong kilalanin niyo muna and spot the red flags. Yan. Maaari makita niyo rin kasi no, na possible na yung ex pa niya yung wallpaper niya sa kanyang phone, desktop, or computer, laptop. Pwede rin naman na kung hindi sa kanyang phone, meron pa siya mga pictures ng kanyang ex-person and still stalking that girl or that boy, no, he or she used to have relationship with. No, however, possible na pinagpalit siya nun because nakakita tayo ng third party. Yan. So, maliban dyan sa makikilala ninyo, no, na huwag nyo masyadong pagkatiwalaan, isang magandang balita muna tayo. Nakita natin dito that with the Three of Earth energy, it looks like meron ditong magandang mangyayari sa iyong kaperahan, no? So, take it daw, sabi ni Universe right here. Yan, it might be challenging at first, no? So, maaaring meron ditong task na iatang sa inyo, ipagawa sa inyo, or bigyan kayo rito ng trabaho na posibleng hindi yun yung ginagawa niyo talaga. But however, it's a challenge, it's a test, no? For you to be able to step up, yan, no? So, nakikita ka ito na ilabas mo yung confidence at yung talent mo daw kasi kaya naman daw yan ninyo. Yun ang sabi ng mga angels and guides ninyo, no? So, sa iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayo dito makapartner or makasama sa trabaho, no? So, i-showcase nyo na itong opportunity na to, no? Parang naka-spotlight kasi kayo ngayon dito, no? So, bring out your creativity and pagiging innovative ninyo and then, I do see that there will be something here coming into your finances and it's something here, changes na gusto mo ring mangyari sa inyo, kaperahan. Di ba magandang opportunity yan mga babes? So maliban dyan, nakita rin ako dito, iba ba sa inyo parang you lost a special na bagay or iba possible na you lost someone na loved ones, no? Pero yung iba possible na importanteng bagay na wala sa inyo or maybe merong situation na nag-end na it's out of your control or ayaw mo naman mangyari, no? So, think positive because with the Five of Water energy, Ace of Fire, no? A new realm will be open sa inyo, guys. And this is something here more beautiful. Welcome this new realm because I do pick up that kung ano man ito na natapos or nawala sa buhay ninyo, no? Hindi naman ibig sabihin na common loved ones yun, eh, kaya ng palitan ng kung sino man, no? Lalo na kung yun ay family member or relatives, no? Hindi yun. Ibig na sabihin nun, kung meron mang nawala sa iyo or meron mang bagay na parang um, hindi mo tanggap or hindi mo inaasahang mangyari, isa yung oportunidad, no? Para makatawid ka dito, no? Sa mas exciting na chapter ng life mo, no? Kumbaga kasi may mga inaalis na bagay sa atin, Leo, tao man yan, bagay, or sitwasyon, no? Kasi para magkaroon ng new room or may pwesto, 'di ba? Para dun sa mga bagong paparating. And these are something exciting, no? For you guys. You need to walk away from that in order for you to see these beautiful things, no? Coming sa inyo. Iba, maybe it has something to do with your love life, no? The love that you're craving for, the commitment that you've been wanting since you were young, no? May iba, you could be wanting here increase in salary, finances that you will no longer feel the lack of or shortage, no, of your coins or money, 'di ba? So, I do see that you will feel like a child. 'Di ba 'pag sobrang happy ng bata, no, sobrang saya nila to the point na nagtatatalon sila or parang hindi mo ma-explain yung happiness na nararamdaman nila, no. So, makikita kitang nagiging gano'n, okay? So, do not resist change, Leo, because these changes will bring you to that deserve mong destination. Okay? So, maliban dyan, nakita rin ako dito no, ng important message. So, maaaring may tumawag, maaaring may mag-text, maaaring may mag-chat, mag-message, mag-call, mag-viber, mag-beep, beeper. Kung paano mo yan sasabihin, no, nakita ko rito na it's something here good news. This is something here that you've been wanting to hear. So kung waiting ka man for a communication right here, doesn't have to be with a loved one or with a special person. Pero kung may hinihintay kang importanteng message, no? Like, importante yun sa'yo. I'm seeing that message, no? You will receive that. May iba tatanggap niya na yun today or yesterday. Yung iba matatanggap niya yan next week, no? Or in the upcoming days sa inyo. So, wow. I do pick up that this is something here na parang inaantay mo para makapag-take action ka na. No? Parang next step ka na. May ganun tayong nakukuha. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin mo. Baka related yan sa mga business na inaasikaso mo or negosyong gusto mong itayo or maaaring related yan no, sa parang approval of something or whatever, ano man yan, no? In all areas of your life, yun yung nakikita natin dito, Leo. And I do see that someone here who walked away from you, one of your exes right here, is experiencing this type of mess. Gusto kanya makausap dito pero mukhang hinaharang ng mga kaibigan mo or ng family or friends mo. So maybe this person here really did broke your heart nung past, kaya ganito na parang pinoprotektahan ka ng mga people around you. However, nakikita ko rito, no, na hindi siya sumusuko kasi gusto ka niya talagang makausap. Kung anong sasabihin niya rito, parang gusto niya pag-usapan kung bakit nagkaroon ng hindi pagkakaintindihan or naging dahilan ng separation ninyo. Ikaw, kung importante pa sa'yo yun at gusto mo pa yung marinig or parang closure na lang din, you might want to hear that person out. But if you're not interested at all and you feel like it's just a waste of time, then it's your call. Okay? Kasi nakikita ko dito na hinaharang, hinaharang siya dito na parang guard. No? Bakit? Anong kailangan mo? Pagka makikipagkita kay Leon, sasabihin mo, yan, no? So, nakita ko rito na hinaharang siya dito ng mga friends mo or family members mo para hindi siya dito makalapit sa'yo because they knew that this person here, no, had done something na hindi talaga maganda sa inyo noon. Yan, no? So, I think your friends right here is just protecting you. But I do see this person here will still keep on trying, no? Na talagang makausap ka niya rito. Yan. Okay? So, nakita rin ako dito mga babes, no, that you are really in transformation right now. Okay? Allow yourself na maka-receive, no? And do not resist change because your life is transforming beautifully. I'm seeing a lot of great opportunities coming your way, blessings coming your way, no? But in order for you to receive this, you need to open your arms to receive, diba? And also, kung meron ka pang binibitbit na baggages, excess baggages, trauma baggages, or whatever, start releasing that kahit paunti-unti. Okay? Kasi yan yung parang kailangan mong gawin in order for you to grow and to receive what's best for you. Okay? Marami yung blessings na yan. Okay? Pero kailangan mo talaga rito, no, na i-prepare yung sarili mo at huwag ka nang mabuhay sa past. Yeah, even kahit yung 1% no, na affected ka pa rin sa past, kailangan mo yun na i-release. No? How? Okay? By focusing your mindset in your future and accepting that past is already past, no? At ito ay tapos na nangyari na at hindi na ito mauulit pa period, itatak mo yan sa isip mo, stay positive, remain positive mindset, no? And believe that you can create your future because you can really create your future. You have the power to do that. And universe and your angels and guides or even your ancestors, no? Sila ang backup mo. So yeah, keep on moving forward here with your life's journey and aim for those beautiful things and do not turn your back anymore sa past. Okay? So yeah, thank you so much. Sarang Heyo, Love and Light Leo. Muli ako po siyan. Annyeong!